my name is Dina and welcome to my channel. Today I'm very happy to show you some interesting facts in Phnom Penh City in Cambodia. It's a capital city of Cambodia, and I'm going to show you some interesting places that you never know it before. And I guarantee you must come to visit in this country at least one time in your life. Otherwise you will regret. And let's take a look together. Hi, I am Dina and now I am in front of the riverside, in front of the Royal Palace. You see, behind me is a Royal Palace. This is the early morning in the riverside, and over there you can see many people come, travel and do the exercise, walk. Yeah, you can come here in the early morning. I recommend you to, if you want to run or do any exercise. You see many birds. They don't are afraid of people who's coming here. And I will show you some interesting place in Phnom Penh City, and I will bring you to another place that you never know it before. And I believe that can make you feel amazing in this country. Okay, let's get started and go with me. You see, many birds here. Yeah, when people come around and buy. What? You see behind me is beautiful girl, or you can call Strays art. Yeah, beautiful girl in Cambodia. You can call Strays art. Yeah. When you see beautiful girl and then you wanna encourage them and you want to say that you are happy. Yeah, you can say hello Strays art. Yeah, hello Strays art. Yeah. In another word, or you can call hello child art. Yeah. What a sound! Oh, around there, people done. Yeah, you see? Yeah, I will go there soon. Yeah, after this. And this is along the riverside. Yeah, you can call it this place. You can say in Cambodia. You can say like Muatale. Yeah, Muatale. Yeah, it's easy to pronounce. Yeah, yeah, follow me. You can say Muatale. And then this is early morning in Phnom Penh City in Cambodia, capital city of Cambodia. Yeah. If they ask you where you want to go, yeah, you can say I want to go Muatale. Yeah, Muatale. Yeah, but make it fast. Muatale. Yeah, make it fast. Yeah, Muatale. Yeah, many beautiful girls. Yeah. And many YouTuber content creator. Yeah. This journey is too fresh in the morning. You see behind me, there are many fishing here in this river. Yeah, people who, yeah. You see. There's a small boat. Yeah, they go to catch the fish in this river. Yeah, this river that we call river in Cambodia, or you can call it Tunle Chap Tuk. Yeah. Tunle Mok Buon. Yeah, you can say like this. Tunle Mok Buon. Yeah, in front of Royal Palace, and here is a riverside that you call it in this place Tunle Mokbun. Yeah, Tunle it mean river. Mokbun it mean four face. Yes, river four face. It mean Tunle Mokbun. Yeah, there are many stories telling here, and I will tell you one by one. But now I am in this review video, and then I'll take you to another place. Okay, let's go together. Okay. You see many birds in front of me, and then this is behind me. It is a royal palace. That this country, I know that you always see and always know and see from the internet, but in this country has many story behind it, and I have many storytelling to tell you. And now in the early morning, the gate is not open yet, and after it's open, I will bring you to this royal palace, and then I will tell you about the storytelling, such as history about this country, some history about this country. But I feel fresh in the early morning in this country. I really like this weather. I really like these people who feel free, who feel welcome about the foreigner come to visit their country. Okay. And behind me, they say they ride on the boat. Yeah. សួស្តីឆ្នាំថ្មី Yes, that means Happy New Year. Happy New Year. And if you want to come here, if you want to come that place, I just when that moment you can tell the tuk-tuk or the driver or the transportation driver, you can say, I want to go Mok Weng. Yeah. They call Mok Weng. Yeah. In front of the royal palace, you can say in Khmer, you can say Mok Weng. Yeah. When they ask you where you want to go, and then you say I want to go Mok Weng. Yeah, in front of royal palace. That place we call in Khmer is Mok Weng. Yeah. And the riverside you can call in Khmer that Muat Tunle. Yeah, Muat Tunle. Easy some tonation like native speaker like this. Yeah. And then after go and visit this country, and then I show you and I instruct you like Cambodian people or native speaker what they say in their language. Yeah. You see that bird? Too many birds. You know in English, but in Khmer we call priep. Yeah, priep chan. Too much priep. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Now I'm in front of royal palace that we call Mok Weng. Yeah, Mok Weng. Mok Weng in front means Mok Weng. Yeah. Oh wait, you see the sunrise behind me? It's time about 6:30 a.m. in Cambodia's country, Phnom Penh capital city. Yeah. Tell me if you want to go anywhere that you want to know, and then I will tell you, I will bring you to another world, and then tell you about the storytelling, about their history, about their mystery that you never know it before. I know many YouTubers come here, but the story or history, no one will tell you the storytelling. Yeah. Okay, let's go together.